Hi, my name is Shinda Shiret and my register number is UR15CSC56. So today we're going to talk about dynamic routing topology. So normally the main difference between the static and a dynamic routing is that in static routing it uses routing tables in order to specify the routes, whereas dynamic routers use routing protocols in order to specify certain routes for different networks. Usually routers are more frequently used for their direct connection with the other devices and networks. So each of the routers have certain information which they like to share with different other networks. So coming here, I've created 3 LAN networks along with 2 WAN networks, so with 3 routers and 3 switches with 2 other end devices. Now I've also configured IP address for each of the end devices. Now I haven't used now I assign IP address for each of the end devices, and in order to make it simple, I've actually assigned the IP address without any subnet masking. So as you can see in the PC0, I've assigned an IP address of 1.1, and here similarly 1.2. So as you can see from each LAN networks each LAN networks have a IP configuration of 1.0 network address. Here this WAN network has 2.0. Then here we have 3.0. Then this is 4.0 and 5.0 network addresses are assigned to each of these networks. Now coming to the routers, I click on the router and I enable it. I give config to configure it. Now I'm going to type router RIP. That is RIP is routing interface protocol. So when I give it, you get router config router. Now here usually each of these routers, now in order to pass a certain message or a packet from one end to the other through a router, we need to configure its network. So we need to so this particular router 0 is actually connected with the 1.0 series and 2.0 series. So so here I give network 192.168.1.0. Similarly, is connected with the 2. Series. Then I go to the next router and I go to the command line prompt. On router RIP, and then similarly I give network 192.168. Now here router 1 is actually connected with 2.0 series, 3.0 series and 4.0 series. So we have to give all 3 of them 2.0 and 3.0 and 4.0. So in a similar fashion, each of the routers are connected, configured with their corresponding routers which are corresponding networks if they are connected. Now I've already configured this earlier. So now you just come out of it and type show IP route. And here you can see R and C is for the connected ones which are directly connected to the networks, and you can see R as well. Now if I give, now what we had seen was actually version 1 of RIP. Now in order to see for version 2, all you have to do is have the configure router, and here I give version 2 v2. So actually the main difference between version 1 and version 2 is that in version 1 different networks of same classes can be connected, whereas in version 2 different networks of the different classes can be connected to each other. So that is the main distinct difference between version 1 and version 2 of RIP, that is dynamic routing. So this is the end of the experiment. Thank you.